Hey guys, it's Gary Reid and we are back, episode 4 of the awesome little Datsun build. Now, I'm going to be honest, it's been a while since episode 3, and I'll tell you what, if you've built a car, you'll know this. If you're going to build a car, this will always happen. What is it? Life gets in the way. You push something to the back of the workshop, you're waiting on parts, you're waiting on some time. That happened for us. Then Christmas hit, then New Year's, but we have been flat out and we are back to get this Datsun finished and get it on the road.
Right, so car's back from Kamikaze Customs. He's done all our intercooler piping, full exhaust system. We had to modify and do something up here with the little radiator hose. So it was obviously a bit of a big engine in a small car, but we're up to the buttoning stage. Next thing will be startup. All right guys, now the fun stuff. First things first, obviously you got the fuel injected motor now. We got the Haltech R3, and the best part about it, you can't run those old round gauges. As much as they look cool, we need to step it up a little. So this is where Haltech comes in. IC7 dash, Motorsport 3D printed cluster, and then that way gives you a nice clean finish. We can put the normal switches in, normal radio and air controls, and then you pretty much plug and play. Put it straight in the car and it'll just slot straight in.
All right guys, this is it. We are 97.5% finished. This little Datsun, you saw Ryan has been hard at work. We got the dash fitted in. We're just waiting on a couple of little switches, but that's not going to stop us from starting this up and driving it out of the workshop. Bonnet's on, pipework's finished, Haltech system is in, the computer's in, wheels and tyres are back on. We decided to keep the wheels that were donated by a good friend of Ryan's because they just look cool and they fit the era. So we got to get this car fully detailed, fully cleaned, start it up and drive it out of the workshop. And as I said, 99% finished. And then we'll do the other 1% over the next couple of weeks because you need to drive a car to work out all those little things that need to be done. All right, let's go. Well guys, that is it. Our Repco little Datsun 1200 Ute is finished. It's on the road, it's driving under its own steam, and Ryan is around the block already. As you know, with cars, there's a few little things to nip up. You want to test drive it, check nothing's rubbing, nothing's whining, squeaking, touching, and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to get that sorted, and you will see this at a car show near you.